step-by-step tutorial, Advanced Troubleshooting Techniques for Windows 11. This guide covers advanced troubleshooting techniques to help you resolve complex issues and optimize the performance of your Windows 11 system. These methods are intended for users familiar with Windows OS and comfortable with advanced settings. 1. Using Safe Mode. Safe Mode starts your computer with essential drivers and services, making it useful for troubleshooting issues caused by incompatible drivers or software. Steps to access Safe Mode. 1. Press Windows R to open the Run dialog box. 2. Type msconfig and press Enter to open the System Configuration utility. 3. In the System Configuration window, go to the Boot tab. 4. Under Boot Options, check the box next to Safe Boot and select the Minimal option. 5. Click Apply and then OK. 6. Restart your computer. When your computer restarts in Safe Mode, you can troubleshoot by uninstalling recently installed software or drivers, running a malware scan, or performing other troubleshooting steps. Using System Restore. System Restore allows you to revert your system files and settings to a previous state, helpful when issues are caused by recent system changes or updates. Steps to use System Restore. 1. Press Windows R to open the Run dialog box. 2. Type rstru and press Enter to open the System Restore wizard. 3. Click Next to see a list of available restore points. 4. Select a restore point created before the issue started and click Next. 5. Review the details and click Finish to start the restoration process. 6. Your computer will restart and the system files and settings will be restored to the selected restore point. Note: System Restore does not affect personal files, but may uninstall recently installed software or drivers. Backup important data before proceeding. 3. Using the Event Viewer. The Event Viewer provides detailed information about system events, such as errors and warnings, useful for diagnosing and troubleshooting issues. Steps to open the Event Viewer. 1. Press Windows R to open the Run dialog box. 2. Type eventvwr.msc and press Enter to open the Event Viewer. 3. In the Event Viewer window, you will see different categories like Application, Security, and System. 4. Expand a category to view the events recorded. 5. Double-click on an event to view its details, including the description, date, and time. By analyzing events, you can identify patterns or specific error codes to help troubleshoot and resolve underlying issues. Using the Windows Performance Monitor. Performance Monitor helps you monitor and analyze system performance, providing details about CPU, memory, disk, and network usage. Steps to use Performance Monitor. 1. Press Windows R to open the Run dialog box. 2. Type perfmon and press Enter to open the Performance Monitor. 3. In the Performance Monitor window, you will see a list of performance counters on the left. 4. Expand a performance counter category to view available counters. 5. Select a counter and click the Add button to add it to the monitoring list. 6. Click the Start button to start monitoring the selected counters. Monitoring performance counters can help identify resource bottlenecks or abnormal behavior causing performance issues. 5. Using the Windows Recovery Environment, WinR. WinRe provides tools and utilities to troubleshoot and repair your system, such as Startup Repair, System Restore, and Command Prompt. Steps to access Windows Recovery Environment. 1. Restart your computer. 2. When the Windows logo appears, press and hold the power button to shut down your computer. 3. Repeat steps 1 and 2 more times. 4. On the 4th restart, your computer will enter the Windows recovery environment. From WinRe, you can perform various troubleshooting tasks like repairing startup issues, restoring system files, and running system diagnostics. Conclusion: by using these advanced troubleshooting techniques, you can resolve complex issues and optimize your Windows 11 system's performance. Remember to exercise caution when using these tools and ensure you understand the potential impact of any changes. With these skills, you'll be better equipped to handle any issues that arise and keep your system running smoothly.